Hollis Urban Garden here with a special video for you guys today. Today we're working with Out of Air, vacuum sealer rolls, vacuum sealer bags, vacuum sealer zipper bags, and more. So these are the vacuum zipper sealer bags. Pretty neat. I have not used these yet because I like the rolls. I prefer the rolls over anything. Vacuum sealer bags. They are quart size, 8 inch by 12 inch. This is an 11 inch by 100 feet vacuum sealer roll. I would mostly use these for large items. I have any large items today. Also, 8 inch by 100 feet, my favorite, by far my favorite. Already open, already used. By far my favorite. All right, let's see. And then extra rolls, 2 of each of the 8 inch by 100 feet and the 11 inch by 100 feet. Pretty awesome, pretty neat. And then pint size vacuum sealer bag. This is pretty awesome because you all know that I like to preserve what I harvest. I like to preserve what I cook. So yes, let's get into this. Now, we all have our ways of preserving, right? So we do this. And we do this. Okay, I do it, all right? We all do it. And it's not necessarily healthy. It's not necessarily the best way to preserve, I would say. Because you can get freezer burn, of course. And then this has all kinds of air in it, and it looks skeptical, I would say. So what we're going to do is show you, let's see, what I've already vacuum sealed. So I did vacuum seal this this has been a week now. It's been about a week since I vacuum sealed this. This is turkey breakfast sausage. And it looks good. It looks good. It was in the freezer, and then I refrigerated it overnight to thaw. It looks good. Still looks great. Still looks fresh as it did when I put it in. Nothing separated, no juices or anything that looks like that. Yeah, so I like it. It is a thicker bag. And I like that because putting whole chickens or chicken wings in a vacuum sealer bag, they can poke through. They can poke through. And this is thick. This is thicker than the brands that I've used before. I will say that. And it is much more inexpensive than the bags that I've used before. I would just say that, okay? You need to find that out for yourself. You definitely need to get some of these bags. I'm telling you now, because the thickness of them is what I like. And the fact that I did get some up here where the seal is, if you can see that. And it didn't spoil. It didn't it didn't prevent it from sealing. It sealed. So I like it. I like it. What we're going to preserve today, or vacuum seal, are my avocados. I need these vacuum sealed because I don't want any air getting in these and turning them brown. I want my avocados. So let's do that. All right. Vacuum sealing avocados. What are you guys preserving today? So I'm going to make it big enough. They don't have to use, well, I'll do 2. So it's just that easy. And then if I take too much, I'll just pull it back some. But I don't think I took too much. Okay. And then you slide it and it cuts. How awesome is that? And it's so easy to do. It's not that much. And I'm telling you, it's not really hard to start vacuum sealing your food. It's really not. Not at all. This thing's a little loud. When it gets going. When it actually does the seal. It's a little loud. All right. Now, we're going to just put those in and seal the bag up, and you guys can see how that works. All right, and yes, I use gloves for my food. I wash my hands, but you can touch things, you know, touching that. It's best to always have a clean area when dealing with food. Minimize any bacteria as much as possible. And that's why I like to vacuum seal also. Keeping that air out, you know. Keeping that air out. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good for avocado. That is good. Look at that. And this is what I mean. I like these bags a lot. I really do. That vacuum sealed that perfect. Don't you think? Well, I definitely have something special for you guys. There is a link down below for you to receive a discount on these vacuum sealer bags. They're already inexpensive, and you get a discount. The discount ends at the end of the month. Run. The end of March. I mean, run. Get you some of these vacuum sealer bags. I like them. You'll love them. We can both preserve our food together. Many blessings.